Barrister Ejiofor has vowed to defend Lolo Nneka Chimezie against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in court. Few days ago, I told you that the battle line has been drawn. We are beginning to see it unfold. It is very unfortunate. Should I say it is funny? Should I say it is quite disappointing and heartbreaking that Igbos are locked in the ring to fight against themselves, to wage war against themselves? Barrister Ejiofor is the former lawyer of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu who defended him for more than 10 years in court. This woman, Lolo Nneka Chimezie, has said a lot of things against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, a lot of accusations and allegations. As a result, Barrister Ejiofor made the public to know that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu instructed him to sue the woman, and then he announced it. We all saw the post that there is court summons within 48 hours or so, and the woman has come out repeatedly to say, "Oh, you have sued me, but I have not seen any service. You have not served me." So she met with Barrister Ejiofor on the 31st of July 2026 to tell him about the case and ask him to come and defend her. So Barrister Ejiofor accepted to come and defend her free of charge. I'm going to play the full clip, if not all, but at least good part of it, that you may understand what is going on. What is your take? What is your take? Barrister Ejiofor accepting to come and defend Madam or Lolo Nneka Chimezie in court. That is like Barrister Ejiofor coming to wage legal war against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, because it is Nnamdi Kanu that sued the woman. Why should Barrister Ejiofor be the one to accept to be the defense counsel to Lolo Nneka Chimezie against someone he has defended for more than 12 years? If I'm not mistaken, at least 10 years. Say what your opinion is right in the chat section. And as you are doing that, I want you to like the video and share it. Is it unfortunate that Igbos are fighting against themselves? Is it a welcome development that Igbos, all of this, Nneka Chimezie is Igbo, Barrister Ejiofor is Igbo, Nnamdi Kanu is Igbo, Aloy Ejiofor is Igbo, Chinasa Nworu Igbo, Chike Dozemi Igbo, Uche Chukwu Kanu Igbo, all of Prince Meme, the whole battle is within the Igbo race. Is it unfortunate? Is it the way to go? Now, listen.
Mamu, because now, only the plan I don't know. Because I owe it as obligation to leave. I don't know for. You want to say it wasn't interest, I was speaking to truth. I don't know for. I do not want you to give me money. Wow. Let me say it to you. I will defend you pro bono free of charge. Wow. Free of charge. That's how I'll defend you pro bono. I don't need 1 naira from you. So, and let me say it to you. Funding I don't need from you. Pro bono free of charge, I'll defend you. Wow. Thank you. Because I know no distraction. They fast. That's height of distraction. But I go, this is about it's of no moment. Wow. Wow. But wow. And I'm saying no. There were. I'm choosing the land, George. Yes. Makana, Ochi na the best. Whatever no jarado. Yes. But I have to go Camelo, every na papa so. Yes. Southeast, south. And southwest. Yes. We don't do has a bakatana, but I'm the money, but I'm not going to go. Yes. No. Mama, I don't do one. There, we say, I don't open a man. They say, oh, you're not too Chemakian, Macam, afternoon, Chemakan, what the tax. Wow. I don't go to the tax. Wow. You're going to have to the yes. Again, I'm a made it. Malasso. You're going to actually, I told black, I call black, I told red, I told red, I told red. Listen to me. Yes, of course.
For those that don't understand Igbo, he is trying to say that he's ready and equal to the tax. That anyone that he can beat blue and black, he doesn't need any help. Remember that this case that the woman has gone to meet or to consult with him is the case between her and Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, his former client. Let's
yes, of course. Now, because And only your children had a most way to be for the use. I'm feeling well, I have no problem. I don't know. I'm not told you. It's more for you go. No, when I can spy, I can make any other hand. It's a dark order. They were one the law. Igbo. I'm short of words. And Obiang Remobo, enemy home, and then Badanafo. Now, when you got attacked, was a Sabala Lolo Nneka Chimezie Kumpa, Negenti. Never mapped on social media. Or for the seminar, if all Eba Hakano, Senahaga, Atwego. Sepoto Zokome, Nefani Jofo, Eba Hakebu no Baha, Hatiza Kaifani. Then where Guana Lolo Nneka Chimezie Namga Loga Butali, Mamebe. Onye tam n'isa tsogo brunja ati anike mansons. Mbia cheta fofom ta na mbọ mbara. Ọbụna dị n'isi Mazi Nnamdi Kanu na aka m nyere mana ala Igbo. Ewe were asị na edere kita were chọ ka afọ aha m onugbo. Wee gwa ha na no ha chọla Ifeanyị Ụba. Kwogbo Ifeanyị Ụba nwụọrafa. Ekwogbo iwu anyanwụ nwụọrafa. Ndị ọzọ onye chiri ụjọ na ha anya nakpuo lọlọ maka na ala nna m ka ọ bụ. Omebiere anyị niile. Enwere ndị furu oge Simon ịkpa na-apụta. Ọ bụrụ na echiri mkpu dị anya ọ na-akpuo ewere egwu na-akpuo Simon ịkpa bịa gbuo mkpamkpa gbuo ndị egburu. Nwa abụlọlọ Nneka Chimezie kwechi ike mgbe ahụ nọ ịnọ ọgbọ si na ọzọ ama mmekwa na Simon ịkpa mere anyị na mberede. Ị na-anya ifu na Ifeanyị na-ekwu eziokwu lọlọ na-ekwu eziokwu onye ọbụla na-ekwu eziokwu ha dachi ya maka na alọghị ejimakọ na ụmụnne Nnamdi Kanu ihe ha na-asọtọsị ha ga-ala ike onye bịa ha nso iso na-apịtọ na-atụ asị ha wee fọrọ mụrụ n'ala Igbo fụzie ka ndị Igbo ji dị passionate about me wee chọọ ka ha dọta m na nke ha ka m bịanyere ha aka tụọ asị oge m si na mama ntụ asị ya na Sokoto fụ Mazi Nnamdi Kanu si amezie ihe gịnị ka eji egbu m ị kwesịrị ikewa otu gị bụ IPOB ikewa ha n'otu anyị nwunye gị ọkụ n'ala Igbo onye abụ njọm ndị a wee baa na soshal midia anyị na-egirikpen ya na-agba mbọ ole m nwere ike ịhụ na m na-emepe ndị Igbo anyị anya ka ha weta ebe okwu na-eje na Nnamdi Kanu ama nọ na nga n'aka ndị iro na-achị ọgwụla.
Did you hear what she said? That after her visit to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, she came out and said that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu should not be leading IPOB from the prison. That was what she said. She's trying to narrate to Barrister Ejiofor that this, according to her, was her only crime. That she told Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to put his house in order. And that he should not be leading IPOB from the prison. Exactly the same thing that the former DOS were saying. That is it. And you know that this was not the only thing she said. Or that she told Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. According to her, there are a lot. But for you to understand where the leadership crisis have been coming from, the key actors and facilitators and engineers and instigators that brought about the current and escalating leadership crisis in IPOB today. The battle line has been drawn. You heard when Barrister Ejiofor said it, that he was going to defend her. He is going to defend her, and that will be free of charge. And you also heard, for those that understand the Igbo, when the woman said she was, or that she's going to fight dating, she is going to fight dating. All of this, Igbo versus Igbo, this threat and this legal battle is Igbo versus Igbo. I don't know if it was Mazi Nnamdi Kanu that actually instructed Barrister Ejiofor to institute a lawsuit against this woman. I don't know. But I know that there are a lot of lawsuits that we were told Mazi Nnamdi Kanu approved. Now, if Barrister Ejiofor had approval of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, why is it that the woman has not been served? Remember, this is Igbo versus Igbo. The war between Igbos. Barrister Ifeanyi Ejiofor will meet with Barrister Ejiofor in court. in a case between Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and Lolo Nneka Chimezie? Please type in the chat section. Is this the right way to go? Are there legal blunder? Are there legal misuse or the misuse of legal instruments in this case? On the part of Barrister Ejiofor or on the part of Barrister Ejiofor? No Yoruba name. All these names we are mentioning here, no Yoruba name, no Niger Delta, no South whatsoever, no Hausa name. Igbo names. Igbo. It is really, really shameful and unfortunate. It is very, very shameful and unfortunate. And I want you, please, like this video, like it, drop your chat, drop your comment, your opinion, word of advice for Lolo Nneka, Ejiofor, Aloy Ejimako, and I will see you again.
Subscribe on YouTube, TikTok, X, Facebook, and Instagram. Follow Maxwell Nnawuihe for more updates. Follow us on YouTube, TikTok, X, Facebook, and Instagram for more updates.